Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're eager to earn some extra cash from home, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 apps and websites that can help you make money in 2024. We're talking about turning your downtime into dollars, folks. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or just want to make a little extra on the side, these platforms are where it's at. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get this money. First up is Swagbucks. This amazing platform lets you earn points, called SB, by taking surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. You know how you're already doing all of that anyway? Might as well get paid for it. With Swagbucks, you're not just wasting time, you're earning potential. You can redeem your points for gift cards or straight-up cash via PayPal. I'm talking Amazon gift cards, Target, even restaurants. Who doesn't love free food? It's super user-friendly, so you can start earning right away. No complicated hoops to jump through, no tech skills needed. If you're looking for a flexible way to make money during your downtime, Swagbucks is a must-try. It's like getting paid to chill. Seriously, go check it out and start earning today. I'll link it up in the description below. Every little bit counts, right? Next on our list is Fiverr. Do you have a skill like graphic design, writing, or programming? Maybe you're a whiz at video editing or social media marketing. Whatever your talent is, Fiverr lets you turn it into cold, hard cash. You can offer your services on this fantastic freelancing platform. Set your prices, create attractive gigs showcasing your skills, and get discovered by clients around the globe. No more relying on just one boss, folks. You become the boss. It's a great way to monetize your hobbies, and the freedom it offers is incredible. Work from anywhere, anytime on projects you're passionate about. Now that's what I call living the dream. So why not give Fiverr a shot? And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. Number 3 is TaskRabbit. This app connects you with people in your area who need help with tasks like cleaning, moving, or assembling furniture. Think of it as the Uber of odd jobs, but instead of driving people around, you're helping them out with everyday tasks. Choose jobs that fit your schedule and earn money on your terms. Want to work weekends only? No problem. Prefer evenings? You got it. It's perfect for those who love hands-on work and meeting new people. And the best part? You get paid quickly and securely through the app. No more chasing down clients for payments. TaskRabbit handles all of that for you. If you're interested in flexible earning opportunities, TaskRabbit is definitely worth exploring. And remember, subscribing helps you stay updated on all my money-making hacks. Now, if you're serious about freelancing and ready to take it to the next level, Upwork is the platform for you. Think of it as Fiverr's more established professional older sibling. It's home to a vast pool of clients from startups to Fortune 500 companies, all looking for talented freelancers like you. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, marketer, or anything in between, Upwork has something for everyone. The key here is to build a strong profile, showcase your skills effectively, and most importantly, deliver high-quality work. Upwork is all about building long-term relationships with clients, which can lead to consistent income and even higher rates. Plus, with their advanced search filters and project management tools, finding and managing work has never been easier. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, head over to Upwork and start building your freelance empire. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on navigating the world of freelancing. And last but definitely not least, we have YouTube. If you're passionate about something or have expertise to share, starting your own YouTube channel can be a fun and rewarding way to make money. I mean, look at where it got me. It takes dedication to grow your channel, but with persistence, it can be a lucrative income source. The key is to create high-quality content that provides value to your viewers. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, comedy sketches, or anything in between, find your niche and own it. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Imagine getting paid to talk about things you love. That's the power of YouTube. If you're thinking about it, subscribe for more guidance on building your channel. So there you have it. 5 incredible apps and websites to help you make money in 2024. Whether you prefer surveys, freelancing, completing tasks, or creating content, there's something for everyone. Remember, taking that first step is crucial. Choose one platform that resonates with you and dive in headfirst. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more money-making tips. Your success is just a click away. Thanks for watching and happy earning.